morning, everybody. It is Vlogmas day 17 and I've just had a pretty slow morning. It is about 10:15 and I haven't even, what in the world? And I haven't even had any coffee yet, which is surprising. I didn't even think about it until I was walking down the steps and I was like, wow, I haven't had any coffee yet. So today I have a lot of work related things to do, as in like YouTube. I need to take all of these boxes to the post office and ship them out for Poshmark. And then I need to do some emails. I need to edit a video. And I'm about to go meet my friend at lunch at 11. So that will be fun. It's my friend Kaylee. I've not seen her in forever, like since graduation, but she's one of those friends where like it's okay because you cannot see each other for forever and it like doesn't matter, you know? So Remy, come back here. Okay, so I think I'm going to make some coffee. Why am I always out of focus with this camera? It is so frustrating, and I don't know if it's like the settings I have it on or if it's just me. I also need to make, I was about to say make some coffee. That's still hot. I also am going to do some laundry right now, and then I need to get ready because it's almost time for me to leave and I'm just wasting time. Ugh. Nope, that is old coffee. It's still really hot, okay, don't judge me, but that was disgusting. But while that's brewing, I am gonna do my laundry. Okay, so Keely just texted me and she said that she forgot that she's got a dog sit, so she can't do today, which is fine because I've got other things I need to do anyway. So we're just gonna get lunch probably on Thursday. But right now I'm going to create the giveaway generator for tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm teaming up with my sister-in-law Hannah, my brother's fiance Emily, and then Emily's sister Erin. We are all teaming up and we're gonna do a $300 Target giveaway, and this one is going to be on YouTube because a lot of you guys have asked that. So I'm creating the generator, that way it's just easy for you guys to like, just totally put in the wrong password into my computer, that's weird. So I'm gonna do that right now. I really hope it works because this generator is expensive. So I'm currently watching some YouTube. Remy is chilling with me, aren't you, Bubby? Honestly, it wouldn't be a vlog at home if Remy wasn't in it. But I'm about to have to take a thumbnail because tomorrow's vlog is going to be a shop with me, and I did not take a thumbnail of like the bags that I got, so I'm gonna do that against my wall really quick because I want to do like half a picture of me like trying on clothes and half a picture of me like with shopping bags. I feel like that would be like the most attractive, so that is what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so I have to finish up taping up all of these boxes, which you guys are sitting on top of, and then I'm going to take them to the package store, and then I'm gonna pick up my glasses prescription, and then I don't know what else I need to do. But I've got to do all these boxes. Where was it? Oh my gosh, where was it?
Don't take a picture of me.
Where was it?
In a box.
Oh, okay, yeah. See, how would I find that?
So here's an extra one.
Oh, sweet. Okay, so I'm about to cook up a donut. And my coffee's brewing over there. But if you guys live near Duck Donuts, you need to eat one. I'm trying to open it with one hand. And I love how yesterday when we're checking out, so it was me, Mom, Dara, Grant, and Emily. Okay, we're all sitting there ordering our thing and we get a dozen. And so the person says, okay, your total is, like however much the total is, everybody walks away.
Everybody thought Mom had some
No,
money.
everybody thought, oh, Jaclyn will pay for it.
Everyone thought Mom was going to pay for it, and I didn't have my pocketbook. So Mom could not pay for it.
Jaclyn paid for it.
Thank the Lord Jaclyn had money.
I know that would have been unfortunate.
That would have been terrible.
Well, no, everybody else there had money. They just didn't want to pay for it. I did all the boxes, and now we're going to load them into the car and bring them to UPS. Thank goodness that guy is so nice. Grandma, he gets fat every time you come here.
Hey, look what he's doing.
Yeah, he's licking it.
Yes.
No.
He's just licking the bowl.
No
That's
more.
It. Boy, you're a meanie.
Oh, this guy's going to love you. I think you better go in there and warn him.
Well, I wasn't going to put any more back there because he can't see, so I
I'll tell you right now. You better warn this guy. Just say I have about 40 boxes. Not very big ones, but there are 40 of them.
Oops. Once again, would not be another Jaclyn Brooke vlog if I did not spill coffee everywhere. I dumped my coffee out the window, didn't think about it getting all over my hand. But we got Dunkin' Donuts, so that's good.
Here she comes with her prescription.
There's coffee all over your car. Hold on, I gotta show them. She was very not nice either. Oh my gosh. Whoops, sorry mom.
What's wrong with them in there?
I don't know. I told her, I was like, hi, she was like, can I help you? And I was like, hi, because I was standing there and they were all there and I just didn't know who to go to. Yeah. Like, hi, I called earlier and I need to get my, you said you'd print off my prescription. And I was like, my name's Jaclyn Denton. Didn't even say anything, looks at me, gets up, opens up the cabinet, hands it to me. I was like, thank you. It was so weird.
You might want to copy that.
Such angry people.
Records.
Okay. I guess so.
I guess so, definitely.
Okay, so me and Grandma are gonna run some errands right now whenever she's ready to go. Remy boo. And so I've been doing those Poshmark orders and I've got a ton more. And our printer doesn't work, so I've got to go to my dad's work to print off everything. So that's what I'm going to do. Right, you and me? Okay, so now we're walking into Bed Bath & Beyond and we're gonna try and get my mom a gift. Don't know if she's gonna want it. Can't show what it is because she watches all my videos. But Grandma got me 20% off, so that will be good. I hope she wants this. Okay, so we got Mom's present all nice and wrapped. Looks really good. Okay, so I'm up in my dad's office. I realize I've never brought you guys up here. So this is his office. Trust me, if I had an office, it would not look like this, but I don't really think he cares. I wrote this who knows how long ago. Abigail was here. Let me show you guys a picture of me whenever I was little. This one, which, can we just take a moment and realize I wrote my name across my chest? Okay, what the heck? I don't know. I do not know what I was doing there. And then here's me and my mom on the beach whenever I was little. And then here's me running a mile whenever I still had a fever. And then this is my family at Kyle and Hannah's wedding. There's Grandma Pat, she passed away. And then there's Grandpa. Sweet. Okay, but I need to hurry because Grandma Sue's waiting out in the car. This is my Uncle Tommy's office. And here are more shipping labels. So before I did YouTube, I had to work 8 hours every day here in the summer. I probably didn't work 8 hours, but I lived in this kitchen because I just needed a break. So I was always making coffee and just, wasting time because I did not enjoy working here because it's an auto salvage place. Not a fan of cars, so anyway. Well, I am a fan of cars. I actually really like nice cars, but I'm not a fan of working on them and taking them apart. Jasper is saying hi. Jasper, you're gonna be on my vlog again. I said you get to be on my vlog again. I love the way my upstairs looks whenever the sun is setting because it comes through the window and it just looks really golden up here. I love it. Okay, so tonight we're making my favorite meal ever, which is chicken and dumplings. My grandma's really good at it. So she's starting it right now. My mom's at my grandfather's. So, did you get it? Oh, this stove. I don't even know how to work it.
I don't either.
Okay, well, we'll figure this out. I think you have to double. Okay.
You know, it doesn't like to be wet.
Like that.
All right.
There we go. Really gotta be sure to get my bangs involved. Okay, that's hurting me a little bit. Gosh, no wonder I hated when you did my hair when I was little. Okay.
So what are we doing? Are we cutting the dumplings?
You're gonna cut another one. So this way, you're gonna cut it all the way
These
down.
are like these
And then, right.
Okay, that'd be nice enough.
This looks like good wifey material right here.
Oh goodness. I'll definitely be sure to put that in.
Well, this is like an advertisement.
For what?
For you looking for a godly husband.
Oh yes. If you love Jesus, let me know.
No, if you love Jesus and a home-cooked meal. Okay, I filmed enough, Jay.
Oh, no you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I'm gonna fast forward it all. That's about 2 seconds of footage.
Well, anyway, and here's the pot.
Now you gotta change the battery because it's gonna die. Dad,
I don't know how to
shut it
change
off
the
with the
battery.
red button.
Okay, we are now filming again.
Listen, if you're gonna be in my YouTube, Dad, you gotta learn how to work.
I didn't say I wanted to be in YouTube. I just
Are you videoing? Is there a red dot in the corner?
says record. It's not flashing. Oh, it's the drop. This is the important thing. The drop.
This is the dropping of the dumplings. You drop it in like that.
Okay, is that enough drop footage? Jay, my arm's getting tired.
Okay, welcome to my world.
No, because if I'm welcoming to your world, I'm getting a cut.
There you go.
I gave this up to Colleen. I'm so grateful when someone else learned how to make it.
Yes, I don't blame you. It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work. It's a lot of mess.
Okay. Let's hope that we can find this at dinner. Okay, I'm putting a heart in there.
Okay.
We'll see who gets it. This is my favorite meal. I used to have them make it for me every single, my birthday every year. Okay, attention everybody. Is everybody listening? Grant, are you listening? Grandma?
Yes.
I made a heart-shaped dumpling. So let me know when you find it.
Whoever gets it.
Means I love them the most.
No.
Okay guys, we just finished dinner and I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I need to edit it and put it up tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Grant, I swear.
I'll just come over and say, hey. I don't know what she's so upset about.
Anyway, okay, so be sure to like this video if you liked it and I will see you guys tomorrow.